Number 1. Embrace urban foraging. Urban foraging involves exploring your local environment for edible plants, herbs, and fruits. Parks, urban gardens, and even city streets can be surprisingly abundant with wild edibles. Before you start, familiarize yourself with local foraging laws and use reliable guides to ensure you're collecting safe, non-toxic plants. Common finds include wild berries, dandelions, and herbs like mint and rosemary. Not only is this a cost-effective way to supplement your diet, but it also connects you with nature and promotes sustainability. Number 2. DIY solar water heater. Building a solar water heater is an excellent way to reduce energy bills. You can create a simple system using black hoses coiled on your roof or in a sunny spot where the sun's rays heat the water inside. For a more advanced setup, consider building a solar panel using materials like copper tubing and glass. This eco-friendly solution can provide a significant portion of your hot water needs, particularly during sunny months, cutting down on electricity or gas costs. Number 3. Dumpster diving for retail goods. Many retail stores discard perfectly usable items due to minor defects, overstock, or season changes. Furniture, electronics, clothes, and even packaged foods often end up in dumpsters. Research local regulations and choose safe, legal locations. Always inspect items thoroughly for damage or spoilage. Join online communities or forums dedicated to dumpster diving to learn the best spots and times. This adventurous practice can yield high-quality items for free, drastically reducing your living expenses. Number 4. Make your own hygiene products. Commercial hygiene products can be expensive and often contain harmful chemicals. Making your own toothpaste, deodorant, and soap using natural ingredients is healthier and more cost-effective. For toothpaste, mix baking soda with coconut oil and a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Homemade deodorant can be made from a blend of coconut oil, baking soda, and cornstarch. Soap can be created using oils, lye, and various additives like herbs and essential oils. These DIY products are gentle on your skin and wallet. Number 5. Upcycle everything. Upcycling involves creatively reusing items to give them a new purpose. Turn old clothes into fashionable new pieces, such as cutting jeans into shorts or transforming shirts into tote bags. Use glass jars for storage or as plant pots. Repurpose wooden pallets into furniture or garden planters. This practice not only saves money but also reduces waste and encourages a sustainable lifestyle. Websites and videos on upcycling projects can provide inspiration and step-by-step guides. Number 6. Harvest rainwater. Set up a rainwater collection system to utilize free water for gardening, cleaning, or even flushing toilets. Basic systems can be as simple as placing barrels under downspouts. More advanced setups might include filtration systems for using rainwater in more domestic applications. This reduces your water bill and is especially useful in areas with water restrictions or during droughts. Ensure your system complies with local regulations and is properly maintained to avoid contamination. Number 7. Start a clothing library. A clothing library operates like a book library but for clothes. Gather a group of friends or community members to pool resources and share clothing items. Members can borrow and return clothes, which is particularly useful for special occasions or temporary needs. This reduces the need to buy new outfits and helps you maintain a varied wardrobe at no extra cost. It also promotes a sense of community and shared responsibility. Number 8. Practice Freecycling. Freecycling is the act of giving away unwanted items to those who can use them, rather than throwing them away. Join Freecycling communities online, such as freecycle.org or local Facebook groups, where you can find everything from furniture to electronics available for free. This not only helps you acquire necessary items without spending money, but also contributes to reducing waste. Offer items you no longer need and take advantage of others' offers to live more sustainably. Number 9. Extreme couponing. Extreme couponing goes beyond casual coupon use, combining multiple coupons, rebates, and store sales to maximize savings. Start by collecting coupons from newspapers, online sites, and store apps. Plan your shopping trips around sales and double or triple coupon days. Join couponing forums and groups to exchange tips and share deals. With dedication and strategic planning, it's possible to get items for free or even profit from certain purchases. This practice requires time and organization but can lead to substantial savings. Number 10. Participate in product testing panels. Many companies seek consumer feedback on their products and offer free items in exchange. Sign up for product testing panels and survey sites like Pinecone Research, Swagbucks, or Vindale Research. You'll receive products ranging from food to electronics to test and review. This not only provides free items but can also include payment for your time and feedback. It's a great way to try new products without spending money and can contribute to your household savings. Number 11. Utilize skill-based trade websites. Websites like Simbi allow you to trade your skills for services you need. If you're good at something, like tutoring, web design, or handyman work, you can offer your services in exchange for what you need, such as plumbing, car repairs, or personal training. This barter system saves money and fosters a sense of community. It also allows you to gain new skills and experiences without spending cash, enhancing your frugal lifestyle. Number 12. DIY renewable energy. Experiment with small-scale renewable energy projects to reduce your reliance on the grid. Building a wind turbine or a solar panel system can be a rewarding DIY project. Start with a small setup to power garden lights or a shed. As you gain confidence, expand to power larger parts of your home. This reduces energy bills and promotes environmental sustainability. Many resources and tutorials are available online to guide you through the process. Number 13. Homegrown personal care. Grow your own herbs and plants to use in homemade remedies and beauty treatments. Aloe vera can be used for skin treatments, chamomile for soothing teas and skincare, and lavender for its calming properties. These homegrown solutions are not only cost-effective but also free from synthetic chemicals. Gardening itself is a therapeutic activity that enhances your connection with nature and contributes to a healthier, more frugal lifestyle. Number 14. Embrace the sharing economy. Platforms like Airbnb and Couchsurfing enable you to rent out a spare room or find free accommodation while traveling. This significantly reduces travel costs and provides unique cultural experiences. Additionally, consider renting out your car, tools, or even your driveway through various sharing economy apps. This generates extra income from underutilized resources, contributing to your frugal living goals. Number 15. Participate in a community garden. Join a community garden to grow your own vegetables and herbs. Community gardens provide a space for urban residents to cultivate fresh produce, reducing grocery bills and promoting healthy eating. They also offer opportunities to learn gardening skills and build connections with neighbors. Some community gardens even provide shared tools and resources, making it easier and more cost-effective to start your own garden. Number 16. DIY biochar for soil enrichment. Biochar is a form of charcoal that can be used to enhance soil quality. Create biochar by burning organic waste like wood chips in a low-oxygen environment, such as a homemade kiln. Adding biochar to your garden soil improves its fertility and helps retain moisture, reducing the need for commercial fertilizers and excessive watering. This eco-friendly practice boosts plant growth and contributes to a sustainable gardening routine. Number 17. Attend free local events. Explore your local community for free events like concerts, workshops, and festivals. Many cities and towns offer a variety of free activities that provide entertainment and learning opportunities. Check community boards, local newspapers, and social media for event listings. Participating in these events enriches your social life and provides fun, no-cost experiences. Number 18. Use barter and trade networks. Engage in barter and trade networks where you can exchange goods and services without money. Websites like barteronly.com and local barter clubs connect people looking to trade items or skills. Whether it's trading homegrown vegetables for handmade crafts or offering tech support in exchange for carpentry work, bartering helps you meet your needs without spending cash and strengthens community bonds. Number 19. Implement digital detox days. Designate days where you disconnect from digital devices and avoid electricity use. Spend this time reading, hiking, crafting, or engaging in other low-cost activities. Digital detox days reduce your electricity bill and promote mindfulness, giving you a break from constant screen time. This practice enhances your well-being and encourages a simpler, more intentional lifestyle. Number 20. Celebrate with frugal festivals. Create and celebrate personal festivals with low-cost traditions. These can include homemade decorations, potluck meals, and DIY gifts. For example, host a harvest festival in the fall with homemade treats and games, or a green festival in the spring focused on planting and nature crafts. These festivals provide meaningful, joyful celebrations without the high costs associated with traditional holidays, fostering creativity and family bonding.